judge. Hahaya ko na sa mga 17-year-olds yan. Nagbabalik ang pinakamalaking talent show sa bansa, ang Talentadong Pinoy. Ito na, kanina, nabigyan ng magandang mga komento si Gerard. Pero tingnan natin kung katumbas nun ay ang matataas na marka. Handa ka na, Gerard?
Opo.
Sige. Gerard, let's check the board. Okay, Gerard, are you happy with your scores?
Opo.
Okay, Gerard, that's 1/3 of your final score. Thank you for your performance. I'll see you at the judging later on. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.